Okay, good morning students. So in the last class yesterday we were solving exercise 3.3, right? So yesterday we had done it half, so we will continue with the further part today, okay? So yes, which sum did we stop at?
The
Fifth sum?
fifth one, now start sixth one.
So yes, we have to start with sixth sum. Okay, so let's start. So what is the sixth sum? Yes, can anyone just read out?
Two additional angles of the parallelogram have equal measure. Find the measure of each of the angles of the parallelogram.
So what they have already given us that two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measures and find the remaining angles they are told. So for that we'll draw a parallelogram first. Yes.
Ma'am, exercise 2.3.
Yes. So this is our parallelogram A, B, C and D. Okay. Just a minute, wait, students. Yes, students. So this is the parallelogram A, B, C, D. Okay. So what is given in the question over there? That both the in this parallelogram the adjacent sides are equal, right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you mean by adjacent sides?
Consecutive.
That is this and this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right? So if in a parallelogram, now we will see about properties. In a parallelogram, if two sides are adjacent, what about angles? What does it tell about angles? Yes, tell me, what about angles?
So angles are also equal.
So if I take this, for example, take this and this side are same. That is, I denote it as same. So we know that angle, the two consecutive angles means next to each other. That is, if I do angle A plus angle B, what I will get? Angle A plus angle B is equals to how many degrees? 180 degrees. So this is a property which we have learned. So now, what they have told us, angle side AB is equals to BC. So will angle AB equal to angle B? See, if the sides are same, then the angles also have to be same. So what I do, angle A plus instead of writing angle B, I will write angle A only. Why angle A only? Because angle A is equals to angle B. How did we understand it is equal? Because yes, because in the sum it is given these two sides are same. So the angles also will be same. So instead of writing B, I will write it as A only. So angle A plus angle A will be 180. What is A plus A? What is A plus A? That is 2A. So 2A is equals to 180 degrees. So let A be equals to let A be
90 degree. 180.
Where till I explain?
180 divided by 2.
So this 2 will come to the denominator. So 2 ones are. So angle A is 90 degree. So from this we found out that angle A is 90 degree. Okay. So next we have to find all other angles also. And which one will? Problem number 6. Problem number 6. And from which you are doing? Which means what? Exercise 3.3, problem number 6. What?
And 3.3 6
Yes. Yes, tell me what? And now all of you mute your mics first. Mute your mics and listen first what I am saying. So yesterday we had done 3.3 half. That is till fifth one. Now we are doing sixth one. That's only I always tell you come on time. If you will come late, you will not understand what I teach in the starting. Okay. So this problem we got to know that angle A is 90 degree. Now since we know that angle A is 90 degree, angle B also has to be 90. Correct? Because both are same. So angle A also is 90, angle B also is 90. So sum of these two adjacent sides is 180. Now the remaining is angle D and angle C. So angle D and angle C, what are these two? Vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles also has to be same. So if B is 90, then C also has to be 90. Then which is the vertically opposite angle for A? Vertically opposite angle for A is C. So if angle A is 90, angle C also has to be 90. So the measure of all the angles in the given parallelogram is 90 degree. Okay. So did everyone understand? We'll move to the next problem. Yes. Once more you want me to explain. See, the sum is given. There is a given parallelogram. In the given parallelogram, the two adjacent sides are same. So let me take the given parallelogram as A, B, C, D, and two adjacent sides. That is AB is equals to BC. They have given. So now what I do is from this parallelogram, I will add angle A and angle B. So angle A plus angle B is equals to 180. How? Because the sum of the two adjacent angles is equals to 180. That is the property. Yesterday we have proved this property. So using the property, I can write it as angle A plus angle B is equals to 180. So after this, what I do is instead of writing B, I write A. Now what is the reason why I wrote instead of B A is in the given problem, what they have told us, these two sides are same. So if the two sides are same, the angles also will be same only. So instead of writing B, I will write it as A. So the equation becomes A plus A is equals to 180 degree. Then add these two. A plus A is 2A. So 2A is equals to 180 degree. So this 2 which is on your left hand side going to the right hand side, it goes to the denominator. So angle A is equals to 180 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 nines are 0 as it is. So remaining is 90. So angle A I got it as 90. So I write angle A is 90. So the sum of the two adjacent angles is 180. So if angle A is 90, 180 minus 90 is how much? 90 only. So angle B also will be 90. Now see, the angle opposite, vertically opposite to A is C. So vertically opposite angles are same. That is, if A is 90, then B also has to be 90. Then what is the vertical opposite angle to B? For B we have D. So if B is 90, then D also has to be 90. So we found out all the angles. The sum of all the four angles is 360. So each angle measures 90 degree. Okay. Sumit understood? Okay, ma'am. Okay, so now we'll go on to the seventh problem. Yes, one of you read the seventh problem. Full what? Full board. Board, wherever it is visible, there only I will write, don't worry. I read the seventh problem. The seventh problem is in the adjacent figure HOPE is a parallelogram. Find the angle measure X, Y, and Z. State the properties you use to find them. Okay. So seventh problem. So first we'll draw the given figure. So this is the given figure H, O, P and E. Okay, so in this there is a diagonal from H to P. So this angle is termed as X and this is 40 degree and this is X and this angle will be Y and this exterior angle measures 70 degrees. So this is the given figure for us. So now what we need to find over here is this X, Y and Z. Okay, so these are the three things. Vaibhav, please mute your mic. You always sit and disturb the class. So now what are the things what we need to find out over here is x, y and z. Okay. So how we'll find out using the properties and which properties we need to use? We have to see. Okay. So now see how is this angle and this angle? This angle and this angle is vertically opposite angles or adjacent angles? Vertically opposite angles. Okay. So if this is 40, how much this should measure?
180.
If this is 40, how much this will measure? It is opposite to each other. So if opposite angles are same, right? So y will be equals to 40 degree. So what we will write the reason over here? Alternative angles. See here, are they not alternative angles? So the reason will be because of why this is not visible what I am writing. This see I have written only so much. This is visible, no? Here I have written question number, that's it. It is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the reason we need to write that? I am writing in the half board only, Shruti. I have not taken the full board. So whatever I am writing is visible. No, no, only this much I have written. Shruti, is it visible? This much what I have written? Full sum I have not written only. I have just drawn the figure, Baba. Okay. So what is the reason why it is equals to 40? It is because of alternative angles. Okay. So we found out why. Now next what we need to find out? We have to find out one more angle. So how we'll find out? So in this angle you see, this complete angle and this complete angle you see. How they are? They are also alternatives. So can I write angle H is equals to angle P? This full angle and this full angle. Are they same? Yes. So if this is yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So this is P, this is H. So if this is 70, how much this has to be? Opposite angles of a parallelogram. Is this not opposite? So H is equals to angle P, that is angle P is equals to 70 degree by this. What is the reason? Opposite angles. So you write here because of opposite angles. So in the fair book, write the reason why it is equal. Okay, you have to write the reason why it is equal over there. Okay. Okay. So now we found out what. How many angles did we get?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we need to find what is Z. Where is Z? Over here. So this is Z. So how will I get Z is equals to this is the full angle. Angle H is this angle. Angle Z is this angle. Correct? So H is equals to this angle H is equals to what minus 40 we have to do? Angle H minus 40 degree. Okay. Now see here. This full angle is how much? This is H. That is 70 degree. How much is this? This is 40. What I need to find out? I need only this Z. So what I do? This whole angle minus this angle I do. So I will get Z. That is angle H minus 40 degree. Angle H is how much? Angle H is 70 degree. We proved it just now. Yes. Here I have written H is equals to P and H is equals to P is equals to 70. How? Because of opposite angles. So H taking the value of H from this we get 70 minus 40. So what is 70 minus 40? It is 30 degree. So we got what is Z, we got what is Y. So Y and Z is done. We need to find out what is X. Correct? Only Only x is remaining now.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will erase this. Did you copy down? I will write x over here. Okay. So now we should go to find what is x. So this is the angle x. So how I find angle x? Angle x plus this will be equals to what?
Ma'am, opposite angles 70.
Opposite angles 180 degree.
Ma'am, 180 degree.
Angle x plus this will be 70 degree will be equals to 180 degree. So what is x? We don't know what is x. So keep x as it is. It's equals to 180. So this 70 going on the right hand side becomes minus 70. So what is 180 minus 70? So 180 minus 70 is 110 degree. So the angle value of x is 110 degree. And what was z? What value for z we got? 30 degree.
Z was 30.
30 degree and y was 40 degree. 40 degree. Y opposite over here. So all the we had asked us to find x, y and z. So we found out all x, y and z. X was equals to 110, y was equals to 40 and z was equals to 30 degree. Okay. So we'll move on to the next sum. So one of you will read the next sum. One of you will read the next sum.
The following figures P, U, N, and R, U, N,
Okay. So in the eighth sum, what they have done the following. In the following figures, GUNS and RUNS are parallelograms and X and Y. Lengths are given in centimeters. Okay, so two are given. First one I will solve. Second one is for your homework. So first parallelogram is this. What is that? GUNS. And what is GU? Equals to 3y minus 1. And this is 18. And this also is. This is 3x and this is 26. Okay. Now what they have asked us to find out? Find the value of x and y. So where is x? X is over here, y is over here. So this is a parallelogram they have given for us. So in the parallelogram, how are the opposite sides? The opposite sides are equal. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
The opposite sides are equal. So this side is equal to this side. That is angle, that is side GU is equal to SN. GU is equal to SN, correct. So what is GU equal to? 3y minus 1 is equal to SN is equal to 26. So this is what your linear equation. So we have to solve this linear equation. 3y is equal to 26. This one coming this side becomes plus 1. So 3y is equal to 27. So y is equal to 27. This 3 coming that side. This side becomes divide by 3. So what is 27 by 3, students? How much it is? 9. 3 ones are 3 nines are. So it is 9. So the value of y is 9. Then next what we need to find? We need to find the value of x. So S,
And next we should find SP and NU.
that is SG is equals to NU. So this is equals to this. What is this mentioning? 3x. So 3x is equals to what is NU? NU is equals to 18 degrees. So 3x is equals to 18. So x is equals to 18. This 3 coming this side with 18 that becomes 18 upon 3. So what is 18 upon 3? 6. That is 3 ones are 3, 6 are. So x is equals to 6. Correct? Yes? So first one I have done. Second one, the second figure which is given in the textbook. Take it for homework, okay? So will you all do that as a homework? Okay, then the next problem. Next, ninth problem also is homework, students. Okay. So now I'll be solving the 10th one. It is almost similar. The same properties you have to use and solve. So try it at your home. It is a homework. Okay. Now we'll move on to the 10th sum. So what is the 10th sum? Explain how the figure is a trapezium. Which of these two sides are parallel? Okay. So they have given figure for us. There is a given figure and we have to prove that given figure is a trapezium. Okay. Okay, the 10th one. So first let me draw the figure. So what is the figure over there? First one. Like this. Okay, so this is the figure. What is it named? K, L, M and N. So this angle measures 100 degrees and this angle measures 80 degrees. This much only is given. Now it is having four sides. So it is a quadrilateral, we know. So in quadrilateral we have different types and one of the type is trapezium. So what are the properties of trapezium, students? In a trapezium, one pair of lines are parallel to each other. So that only we need to prove that is one pair of lines are parallel to each other. Now see there, when a transversal line intersects two lines such a way that the sum of the adjacent angles on the same sides of a transversal is 180, then the line of the parallel to each other will be, so L is not given. Will they intersect the diagonals? So M and L will add M plus L. So what is M plus L equals to? So it is 100 plus 80 degree. So M plus L is equals to 180. That is two adjacent angles. That is the sum of the two adjacent angles is equals to 180 degrees. Correct? So after this, now how will we proceed? So if it is equals to 180, what does it tell? See, this and this is equals to 180 means what? These two lines are parallel. So yes, exactly. The opposite angles are equal and parallel. So from this we can tell that MN is parallel to KL. So these are one pair of lines. So they are parallel to each other. So this we needed to prove it. We proved it. Okay. Understood? We'll go on to the next one. Okay. So then in 10th one is done. 11th one. Yes, read out the 11th problem.
Find the angle C is in figure 3.3 is parallel to DC.
Yes. Find the angle C in the given figure, that is 3.3, if AB is parallel to DC. So first we draw the figure over here. That is 11th one. A, B, C, D. In this which are parallel? A, B. So what is given? A, B is parallel to DC they have given us and they have asked us to find this angle, right? Angle C we need to find out over here. So now what will be the measure of angle B plus angle C? 180, so 180 degree, correct. So if I add angle B plus angle C, we get 180. How we get 180? By the property which we have studied. So do I know the value of angle B? So it is given in the figure, so this will be 120 degrees plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. So angle C will be equals to 180 degrees This coming this side will become minus 120. So what is 180 minus 120? 160 or 60? 60. So the sum of the measure of this angle, the angle, this angle measures 60 degree. So they had asked us to find angle C. So we have found out angle C. Okay, so next 12th problem. 12th problem also you take it as a homework and complete the exercise, okay? Any doubts in this exercise? No, is it easy? Is it easy? Yeah, okay. So yes, it is easy. Now what? Tomorrow you all will be having one test, that is online test, Google form test. So the question for that test is from quadrilaterals from exercise 3.1 to 3.3 in what I have taught today. Okay. So we will. Okay, tomorrow you have one online test on Google Forms. Okay. So the portion for tomorrow's test is understanding quadrilaterals from exercise 3.1 to exercise 3.3 till this sum. Okay. So prepare well and answer your exams good. Okay. Understood? Any other problems? Any other doubts?
No, ma'am.
No? Then shall we wind up the class? Okay. Okay, so we'll wind up the class over here.